Okay, so we're going to do the purl stitch now. I've finished the knit side. So just like in the ribbing, you put your needle up through the yarn in the front, yarn around the needle and pull your needle down and back and slip the stitch off. Needle up into the front, yarn around, and the needle slips. Slip that stitch off. A few more. Needle up in the front, yarn around, pull it down the back and slip it off. I'll do a few more. I've actually had to do a few rows. The needles I were using were steel ones, but they had a plastic coating and the yarn wasn't sliding. This acrylic was just gripping it. So if you're having trouble as a beginner to do your knitting, it's not you sometimes, it's the needles you're using. So try and find the needles that suit you and suit the yarn. So there's me whizzing along. So one more time, the needle up into the front of the yarn, yarn around, the needle down, back and slip it off. So just repeat this all the way to the end of the row. And as you can see, I've done a few rows, and this is your purl side. You have all the bumps on the purl side. And let me turn this over. These needles are longer than the other ones, so they're getting in the way. So the knit side, you can see you start getting these little V stitches. It's not very clear. I've got a light on, but it's getting a bit late in the day. But you'll see the pattern of the stocking stitch start to emerge now. And don't forget to change to your bigger needles, of course, which I mentioned before. So what I do is I do the stocking stitch for the backs. I just do them plain, but I'm going to do a pattern for the front. You can follow along the pattern, or you can just do stocking stitch. I keep doing this until I hold it up against my body and just do it to the length that I like. I hold it up to the little bump that's on the back of my neck, and the needle just goes across a little bit of my shoulder where the seam will go when you sew it together. And then I stop when the ribbing gets to as low as I like. So I'm going to make it probably 2 inches longer than my the second cardigan that I made, the coloured one, but I won't make it as long as the patchwork cardigan, just something in between. But anyway, I will meet you back when it's time to measure it at the back of my neck and show you exactly how I do that. And there's no shaping for the armholes at all. I just make a complete oblong. So just take your time and keep doing your knit row and your purl row and just enjoy yourself. And I will make another video, which will take me a little while. I'm not that fast. And enjoy the process. I'll see you later. Bye.